Birla Institute of Management Technology, presenting from the batch of PGDM Retail Management 1570. Industrial visit to the sports capital of the country, Meerut, Uttar Pradesh. Stag International, the world leader in table tennis equipments. Stag International is a multi-sport equipment, accessories, apparel manufacturer and exporter. It exports sporting goods to more than 160 countries. The product range of Stag includes table tennis, basketball, judo mattresses, carom boards, etc. Stag International is a world leader in TT tables and flooring which are used at the international level. Manufacturing involves two major raw materials. One, particle boards procured from Karnataka, the other, iron pipes procured from Ghaziabad. After smoothing the edges of particle boards, a thin layer of paint is sprayed upon the boards to enhance the look and feel of the surface. Once the particle boards are dry, white margins are carefully drawn on the board. An iron base is then attached to the particle boards to make them feasible for practical use. Just like particle boards, iron pipes used in basketball poles is also spray painted and then heated at a temperature of 230 degrees for 30 minutes. Mr. Raghavendra Sharma, the factory manager, was very kind and helped us in knowing about the working processes of Stag International, which, as told to us by Mr. Sharma, was being carried out by 360 workers in the huge area of 1 lakh square feet, in which they also provide warehousing facilities to companies like Adidas, Nike and Puma, and also acts as distributor for these companies. Mr. Sharma also told us about the admirable marketing strategy adopted by Stag, through which they only market themselves by sponsoring credible sporting events such as Olympics and TT World Championships. Then we got to see the packaging process. The finished goods are safely packaged and then shipped to various destinations. Our next stop was Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises Training Center, popularly known as MSME Training Center. Situated on Delhi Road, Meerut, this center acts as a research center for the training and R&D initiatives in the niche of sports goods manufacturing. The officials at the center allowed us a glance of the activities they were undertaking. These included the mechanical department, the IT department, and the R&D center itself. In mechanical department, we could see two major equipments being used heavily. One was the lathe machine, which was used to design the peculiarities of the batting grip, which is the main USP of MSME. The other machine was the electrolytic machine, through which electron bombardment was done to achieve precise designing in all the grips. One other important machine, the CNC machine, was being used, which helped in automating these processes and enhancing the efficiency of the entire process. Between all the work being carried out at MSME, they do not forget about their corporate social responsibilities. MSME provides programming and language courses to the less fortunate to help them find employment. Not only this, but they also provide loans to these people to help them in setting up their own businesses. Our next and final stop was the Surajkund Market. Located in the heart of Meerut city, Surajkund Market caters to the demand of the sporting equipment industry of the country. Here, a chain of retail and wholesale stores could be seen which only specialized in sporting goods. The retail stores vary in size and goods that they dealt in. Some stores were making huge turnover, which was inconceivable considering the size of their stores. There are also manufacturing units in this market that assemble products ranging from cricket equipments like bats and balls to badminton corks. The manufacturing units here are makers of a wide range of counterfeit products too.